Welcome to Moodle. When you're in Moodle, you can message your instructors and fellow students using Moodle Messaging. To find Moodle Messaging, you'll go up here in the top right corner, and you'll click the picture here, and you can see messages. You can also go to this message box, click, and you'll see messages you may have. You can click on the message to see your thread. You can also reply here. So you click in the write a message box, type your message, and click send. Now you see your message. As you start messaging more people, they'll show up down here and you can click through each one. You can also search messages. So if you're looking for a specific thing, like how I'm talking about Proctorio here, you can also search contacts. So if you click contacts, I can choose to search someone else I know might be in Moodle. So here I found Wendy. I currently have no messages with her, but otherwise they would show up here. I can also click her name, and I can add her as a contact, so she'll show up when I go to this link here. Now when you get a new message, you will see a notification right here. If you want to send a brand new message, again, you can always go through this, or when you're in this box, new message here. Then you can search for your person. That's it.